下午的阳光洒落，飞机缓缓划过，机灵也是在的传说，载满了多少旅客。波音737的轮廓，引擎低声哼歌，准备启程的时刻，尝下南国的辽阔。机场设施常出错，因无而会闪烁，空调系统不配合，偶尔让人难以负荷。维修记录总堆叠，出故障报告不如何。期待顺利的旅途，却又担心会延宕。我把317记承诺，飞越太平洋的辽阔，漂游人间不错，越高于联航的门槛，飞机航空的享受，若运气没被剥夺，期待着美好的邂逅，飞向高雄的港口。起飞时刻渐渐近了，引擎声渐响了，窗外景色变模糊了，烦恼拖住脑后了，期待心情涌起了，旅途的序幕拉开了，希望这次别取消了，顺利抵达最好的。空服员的笑容甜了，餐点也准备好了，机舱内的气氛暖了，虽然有些小摩擦，但只要一切正常，旅途就变得愉快了。这份小确幸难得了，值得好去珍惜了。我把837记承诺，飞越太平洋的辽阔，票价人间不错，越高于联航的门槛，瑞奇航空的享受，若运气被剥夺，期待着美好的邂逅，飞向高雄的港口。20年的风雨漂。
Hi, and welcome. We're happy to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we get this safety video off and rolling.
FAA regulations require you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with all posted and lighted signs. Please review the safety card located at your seat.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off.
In United Polaris Business Class, if your seat has a shoulder strap, fasten your seatbelt, then secure the shoulder strap by placing the metal fitting over the lock and pulling on the strap until it clicks. The shoulder strap must be secure for taxi, takeoff, and landing. To release, push down on the metal fitting and lift.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 777 has 8 exit doors, 4 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slide rafts will automatically inflate. In a water landing, slide rafts detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you are unable or uncomfortable performing exit row functions and assisting in an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, oxygen masks will drop from a compartment above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatories. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
Should you need it, you will find a life vest equipped with the water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end and tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube.
This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking, vaping, using e-cigarettes, or smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Now boarding.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow all devices. We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. If you lose your phone or other device under a seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat, as this can damage the device and its battery.
We know that who you choose to travel with matters as much as where you're going. So thank you for choosing to fly with United.
我承载多少的起落，偶尔的故障难免过，只要安全就值得。这趟飞行的曲折，谱着难忘的歌，期待着每一次飞越都能平安抵达彼岸。高雄港口已在忘了灯火阑珊闪耀住，旅途中的终点要住，旅途的终点近了，疲惫也随着消散了。感谢他们上了，虽然有些小波折，联合航空的飞机，乐走惊喜在惊喜在。下午的阳光洒落，飞机缓缓划过，机灵也实在的传说，载满了多少旅客。波音737的轮廓，引擎低声哼歌，准备启程的时刻，尝下难过的辽阔。机场设施常出错，因无而会闪烁，空调系统不配合，偶尔让人难以负荷。维修记录总堆叠出故障报告多如何？期待顺利的旅途，却又担心会延宕。我把在谁希冀的承诺，一越太平洋的辽阔，漂游人间无踪，越高于联航的门槛，预计 的港口。起飞时刻渐渐近了，引擎声渐响了，窗外景色变模糊了，烦恼拖住脑后了，期待心情涌起了，旅途的序幕拉开了，希望这次别取消了，顺利抵达最好的。空服员的笑容甜了，餐点也准备好了，机舱内的气氛暖了，虽然有些小摩擦，但只要一切真正常了，旅途就变得愉快了。这份小确幸难得了，值得好去珍惜了。我837起承诺，飞越太平洋的辽阔，票价人且不错，越高越联航的门槛，瑞吉航空的享受，若运气被剥夺，期待着美好的邂逅，飞向高尚的老雄的港口。20年的风雨漂泊，承载多少的起落，偶尔的故障难免过，只要安全就值得。这趟飞行的曲折，谱着难忘的歌，期待着每一次飞越都能平安抵达彼岸彼岸。高雄港口一再忘了，灯火阑珊闪耀住，旅途中的终点要住，旅途的终点近了，疲惫也随之消散了，感谢趟路上了，虽然有些小波折，联合航空的飞机，乐走惊喜再惊喜再